What is a Docker file? A Docker file is a set of declarative build instructions on how to build an image and start a container. If we were to look at our example Docker file, we have some lines. Each line in your Docker file is another layer in your image. This first line from declares our base image, so we're saying from Ubuntu 2204. This second line installs the various dependencies we're going to need in the image. So after Ubuntu 2204 is pulled, install curl and then remove varlib app lists. So we're removing some utilities. Then we set our working directory, which is /app. And then we set a default command, which is hello from Docker. So each one of these is another layer in our image cake. In order to run our Docker build command, we need to be in the same directory as our Docker file. So we run an ls, and as you can see, we have a file called Docker file. We should now be able to build our Docker image from that Docker file by doing a docker build -hello Docker. Then we end it with a period, and we give it a few seconds. And there we go, it is now building our new image. Notice that it pulls the different layers down, and then it runs through the different commands of the Docker file. So it's installing curl like we requested in the Docker file. Once the build is completed, we should then be able to run that image by doing a docker run hello Docker. And notice we now have hello from Docker. If we were to run a docker ps-a and scroll to the top, you'd see that we have a Docker container that just exited right here that echoed hello Docker. So it ran the command and closed itself. And that's it. That is a quick and dirty introduction to Docker files, right? If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below at my YouTube channel. Otherwise, stay blessed, boys. I'll see y'all next video.